welcome to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make easy yet tasty coconut rice. I love anything with coconut in it. I'm a South Indian, so coconut is like a staple in South India. So we love our coconut. So when it is paired with rice, some urad dal, some peanuts and some spicy chilies, it just tastes out of this world, guys. If you didn't try coconut rice, please do, and I'm pretty sure you will get addicted to it. So let's see how to make this simple yet tasty coconut rice. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe. It will mean a lot to me and you don't want to miss my future videos. So let's get to the recipe now and make that yummy tasty dish. Let's look at the ingredients for coconut rice, South Indian style coconut rice. I'm using half onion. If you don't like onion in your rice, you can totally skip it. Curry leaves and chilies you can use depending on the spice level you want, because we are not going to add any chili powder to this dish. I took 1 handful of peanuts, 2 red chilies and few urad dal. It gives a nice crunch to the dish. I like it. If you want to skip and only use peanuts, use a little bit more peanut, but this gives more crunch to the dish. That's why I like it. I took 1 big teaspoon mustard seeds, jeera and salt, and coriander and crushed garlic. 2 garlic I took. I will crush it. So let's see how to make this dish now. First, let me chop everything and get ready. I will show you how to make this dish, and most importantly, this is for 2 to 3 cups of rice, and I'm going to take around half cup of shredded coconut from the grocery store. If you can use fresh coconut, it will taste much better than the frozen coconut. As I don't have that option, I'm using frozen coconut. So let's learn how to make this. Let's see how to make this. I will add 1 big tablespoon of oil and let's make this. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of jeera, and half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it splatter and then we'll add urad dal. You can hear the splattering. I'm adding urad dal. Let it brown up a little, and then we'll add peanuts and red chilies. Almost ready. I added the peanuts and red chilies. Mix once. Lower the stove and add your fresh leaves. I added onions, chilies, curry leaves and coriander. Let it cook nicely on medium heat. I can already smell my coconut rice. It's amazing like how the dish smells like exactly like a finished product. I fried them for a few minutes. Now I am going to add garlic. smells so good in here like you won't believe. Now that everything is fried, I'm adding half cup of fresh coconut. For 2 to 3 cups of rice, half cup is enough. Keep the stove on low and fry it nicely until the raw smell is gone. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes for it to fry. Then we'll add the rice and salt. It's almost fried, so let's add the rice. Keep the stove on low heat and add required amount of salt. And mix nicely on low heat and it will be done. There you have it, guys. Look at how beautiful this looks, and it will taste as it is, or you can add papad to it or just serve it with a potato fry. It will taste amazing. Please do make it and leave your feedback for me, and most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I work really hard for these videos, guys. Please support me by subscribing and telling me if they are working for you or not. Thank you so much for watching me. I'll see you guys in my next video.